Hey, Kevin Wilson here. One thing that I love to play, and that's chord melodies. And for those who don't understand what a chord melody is, all it is taking a melody like this and putting the chords to it. Again, this is the melody. And then the chords would be okay, and another chord melody would be with the same kind of melody. This is the melody. So now I can play it like this. Thank you so much for viewing, and we'll see you next time.